Hi everyone. Are you one of those who are in quest of tips and tricks in order to enhance your communication skill? So today I'm gonna give you one tips. Hi, this is Shabnam. Welcome to my channel English with Shabnam. And before this, let applaud those who diligently write down each and everything in their notebook. Because writing in the notebook it's also a very good thing. And for me, I know it's not my cup of tea. It's arduous for me sometimes to write down in the notebooks. I'm not referring to those who study in the college and schools, but rather to those who completed their study and now they are on the path of learning this language. So, let's talk about the one application in the name of Keep Note, which we all have in our phone. It's a application provided by the Google, and we all have had this application since we purchased our phone. I have been using this ever since I started my journey of learning English. By behest of one of my friends, I started using this and I found this application really helpful. Because see, every time carrying notebook when you go here and there, it's a really arduous thing. And we all know that revision on the regular basis it's important. Whenever we learn any lesson, we see any idiom, phrases, vocabulary, so we need to store it somewhere so that we can do our revision on the regular basis. Because without revision it's quite difficult to inculcate those structure on those things in your practical life communication, practical life conversation. So what I'm telling, I'm giving you the main feature, like what are the advantages of the application. It has plethora of advantage. Like I'm giving you the advantage of this application. First is that it's a portable. You can take it anywhere because you keep your phone with you every time. So really it's a portable and it's easy to access anywhere, anytime. Modification you can do easily. Then you can categorize your notes by choosing the color or by name also. It has a feature you can search easily anything, and it's synchronized with all across devices, whether you are using laptop, PC or mobile. And also to do reminder is there, then calendar is there, and so many features are there, which right now, like, this is the most feature for the beginner, what I feel. You can, and also you can attach your images, your voice notes over there. And the good thing is that it will remain with you for a long time until you forget your email ID. So I think you should give it a try because I found it really very useful. Maybe most of you know this application and use this application in your personal life, but personally I know few friends which don't those they don't have any idea about this application. So I thought, should I share this idea with all of you, because somewhere I found this is a good idea, keeping your things in your mobile so that you can do your revision easily on the regular basis. So maybe there are lots of application available. I have tried many application but I can't find any application good over this application. If you know any other application, that let me in comment box. And if you also find this application useful, and if you have any query related to this application, so please let me know in the comment box. I will assist you as much as possible. So yeah, this is all about the today's video. I hope you will find this video useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning, keep practicing.